Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video. So for today's video, I am giving you my review on the brand Native, specifically their deodorant. I've been trying out their deodorant for 2 weeks now, and I'm going to give you my 3 pros and my 3 cons of their deodorant. And also discuss quickly about how it compares to other deodorants I've tried in the past. Stay tuned to after my pros and cons. I'll give you my recommendations on how to apply this product and also what I love most about it. This video is also not sponsored, just to get that out of the way. And before getting into all the details about this product, feel free to give it a like and also feel free to subscribe. So first I'm going to give you all the details about this product. First off is the cost. My currency is in Canadian, so I'm going to be talking in Canadian dollars, and also my reference US dollars as well. So on this site, each stick costs $12 US. And if you do their subscription, it costs you $10 US. The scent I purchased was the Cucumber and Mint. Total of this cost me $12.60 for my product, which was a 33% discount on it. And then I also added on a mini scented deodorant, which cost me another $4.35 Canadian. So in total, my whole order was $13.90 plus $4.35. And totaling that came to $18.25. If I just bought the deodorant on its own without the mini, it would have cost me $13.90 for the deodorant, and that's including that I had free shipping. On to the shipping. The shipping took about 4 days for it to ship from the warehouse, and then it took in total of another 14 days to get to me. It doesn't really matter that much for me for the deodorant, but again, the cost is kind of a problem. Moving on to the pros of this product. Pro number 1 is that it smells amazing. I love the smell. Like, even though I had to use this, it still smells amazing. There's a really nice like fresh minty smell, and then the cucumber mixed in with it is just so nice. Oh, it smells so good, and it doesn't smell like too artificial, which I absolutely love. Pro number 2 is that the texture is so good. It is a beautiful texture. It's not too chalky or too greasy, and just slides right onto your underarms. Pro number 3 is also about how the texture in the product is that it doesn't cake up on my underarms. My underarms look smooth all day long. You don't get those white clumps or anything like that, or it doesn't transfer too much to my other clothing, which is a bonus. And also because it doesn't cake up too much, it doesn't like hold on to your underarms, and it doesn't become impossible to wash off like some deodorants. You can wash your underarms, and the moment you shave them, you're shaving off your deodorant, and it's like I didn't even know there's still some on there. For the cons, it doesn't hold up all day the way I wish it did. If I'm out and about all day and like, you know, moving around a lot, it's a little bit too like light in scent that my natural smells are going to start coming out, and I will need to reapply throughout the day. Con number 2, this kind of goes with con number 1, but it's that you have to reapply in the morning for sure. After a night of sleeping, there's nothing left on your underarm, so you just have your natural smells coming out, and it's not always the prettiest. And then con number 3 is that it's similar to 1 and 2, but that it does not hold up during a workout. Personally, for myself, it doesn't hold up. After about a 30-minute workout, I have to make sure I wash myself again and reapply. Well, now getting into why I love this product and how I recommend to apply it. I tried this product for a full 2 weeks, and well, it's been 13 days, but like whatever. Before this, I haven't been wearing any deodorant for actually about a week before. There's no reason why, I just didn't wear deodorant for a week. We're in quarantine, it doesn't matter. Assuming why and even on the directions, it actually mean to try this deodorant for a full 2 weeks just to get the best benefit of it. My assumption is that they want you to remove any of the old deodorant out of your body to have the new fresh ingredients come on in, maybe. So some reasons why I love this product is that 1, they are cruelty free. That is absolutely amazing, and it's hard to find cruelty-free deodorants out there that are also natural. I also love that they always are aluminum-free, paraffin-free, and sulfate-free. They also use simple ingredients that anyone can understand. In the past, I've tried so many different deodorants, from regular deodorants to clinical to natural, and I've tried many. more like natural ones. I've tried like the Minchum, the Toms, even some from like my local farmer's market. Never actually always worked for me. Sometimes they even made me smell worse, and other times they just, I don't know, they didn't work, or they were just a little too, what's the word, like the smell of them wasn't pleasant, and how it mixed with my natural body odors, it just didn't work. Some of like the regular deodorants, I tried everything from Secret to Degree to well, all the clinicals within those products, and then I even tried like men's Old Spice, men's Degree, what's that one, it's like such a cheap brand, I can't even think of the name of it right now, but anyways, I tried so many. I have to admit though, Old Spice has become my favorite. It keeps me nice and fresh smelling all day. The issue is that you just don't know what's in those products, and you can't guarantee that they're aluminum free. It might not have like some not so nice stuff on the inside. So for an extra little maintenance of using this deodorant, I get the satisfaction knowing that it's aluminum free, and it's also protecting my body and won't hurt me in the long run. How I recommend to apply this product: first off, that when you are applying your product, always have clean underarms. Don't reapply on top of it unless you have to. I would always give yourself a wipe and then reapply it, even if you're using just like a baby wipe to clean your underarms in between. When I'm reapplying and I'm not like showering before, I usually just use a little bit of soap, give my underarms a nice little wash, and then I will pat dry and reapply. When you're reapplying, you just want to make sure you get rid of that extra dirt and sweat that's on your arm, so it's not mixing with the deodorant, which you should do when you're applying other deodorants anyway, instead of just always masking and building the product on top of each other. When I'm applying, I apply very thin layers, about 2 to 3 passes. Nothing too crazy. I'm not like loading it on and like rubbing really hard. Just 2 to 3 passes max, and then I'm applying in the full area of my underarm, from the outer point, like here, all the way to the inner point. If you're applying, your underarms look white, you apply too much, and even when they recommend another product, they say to rub it in. That's all I do. Take my hand, you know, you can wash your hand, and just rub it right in, just nice and easy. And that's pretty much about it about this product. I do think I want to repurchase these again. I want to try some new scents because they have some really nice ones, so I'm going to get into trying some more in the future. I can't give you a discount code because again, I'm not sponsored. But I use the code MAMA. I'm not sure if it's still active, but I did get free shipping and got like a 30% discount. And that's for the YouTuber Mama Dr. Jones, who's absolutely amazing. But if not, use the browser Honey, and that's what I started using recently, and you know, it's great. Not sponsored. Sponsor me. Thank you so much for watching my review on the Native deodorant. If you like this video, again, feel free to give it a like, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Join the family. We just hit 100 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.